Hi, my name is Josh Proctor, General Manager with America's Home Place in the Charleston office. Today I'd like to talk about an important question, which is why do customers say that we make building easy? I think there's really two fundamentals to giving the customer a good experience. We talk about it as a journey here at America's Home Place, and I think there's two things. One of those is managing expectations. I talked about how building trust is an intangible. I'd like to think that managing expectations is more of a tangible, systematic kind of meetings approach. Customers come in from past experiences, family, they've had other life experiences, and so their expectations are set in a certain way. If we do not set the tone for how this house and project will go, they will have their own expectations. So it's important that we as a builder set those expectations, and those are done through a few very important meetings that I think are maybe not necessarily unique in the industry, but are done with a great deal of care and detail at America's Home Place. One of those is called the final review meeting. That final review meeting is basically the culmination of the entire buying experience. It is the culmination of the house being built on paper. You have met with the building consultant, you've selected your colors, you've been to the site with your project manager, you have priced out your site allowances, and also we have drafted a floor plan that hopefully is a reflection of your dream. All those things culminate in one meeting, and in that meeting we want to make sure that your expectations are there in writing. Building is a process and involves black and white documents. It involves a floor plan and a contract, and we want to make sure those things meet your expectations. And we feel if we have a good, successful final review meeting prior to construction starting, that there is a very strong chance that you are going to have a good experience and a good journey. Trust and managing expectations are the foundation for a good experience and journey. Again, this is Josh Proctor, General Manager at America's Home Place Charleston.